Welcome to a video by Agronomy. This is a digital water bath with the accuracy of 0.1 degree. This digital controller is accuracy has 0.1 degree, and it has the main panel has on off switch, which is telling you this is a main on off switch. You switch it on and off, and this one tells you that the heater is working or not. This heater is also tells you the working. Here the top indicator will tell you heater is working. This will also tell you the load is working. You can switch it off so that the heater will not work. Now the heater will work, and this one is a pump only or stirrer. There is one inside, the stirrer is there. You can see this one stirrer is there, which is for regulating or circulating the water inside. This has a capacity of 4 beakers of 1 liter. You can use a lid also. These are not a part of the instrument. We can provide you a lid also, which is having, you can put the beakers in that lid. This has a capacity of almost 10. We have a model with a capacity of 6 liter or 10 liter. This is almost 20 liter. Water can be filled up to this level, or it can be go a little above, but we recommend you to fill up to this level. But we are not putting it more water so that they are not floating. So they are already filled with the chemical. You can take up to any level you want. There are no stirrer with the beakers which you have to stir it manually. You can put a lid also or watch glass to cover that. And I can show you this tray has here we have the holes so that the water is coming on the hot water is coming from the circulated. I am switching off so that the sound is clear to you. Below this tray there is one I can lift it, and there is one below heater is there. I can just show you heaters. You can put this tray. This one is a heater which is 220 volt heater, 220 volt operated. I can put back these heaters, these beakers for any solution or stirring you can use. I am not using this stirrer. See, this temperature is increasing slowly. Let it come after few time. You can see another video we will be making in another language where we can see the 50. You can use this from the room temperature. If the room temperature is 30 degree or 35 degree, we can set it on for 5 degree plus room temperature. Means if the outside temperature is 20 degree, it can be used from 25 to 30 degree. If outside temperature is 30 degree, it can be used from 40 degree. If it is, the maximum temperature can be used up to 90 or 95, because the water will boil after that. It boils at about 100 degree. So it should not be used above 70 degree or 80 degree. This buyer is asking for 60 degree, 40, 60 and 80 degrees. His requirement is this, so we are just showing at 40 degree. And now how to change the temperature? You can press this and put it back. Now I can take it to 59, pushing. Setting temperature is very easy. 58, 58.5 I can set and leave it. Now it is going to maintain 58.5. But this I am testing only for 60. I can make it 59. I can leave it again. This is temperature what we have desired temperature. This is the internal temperature what is already inside. I can make it 60. See this, very easy. Just keep it pressed and push it and make it 60. Now it is almost 60. This tells you the heater main current is coming. This tells you the heater is going on. This I can switch off the manually heater from outside. This has a relay, and inside there is a relay also to control it. Please share. This chamber has a stirrer. The water should not fall on this from anywhere. And this is double wall. Temperature will be maintained inside the chamber very easily. And you can cover this with the lid. We have a provision for the lid also. Please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel. Our email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 9416020018. Please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.